This is the MicroTUP Water Key. It's an EDC version of the popular 4-way silcock key, which is used in a lot of emergency preparedness kits in urban environments for accessing water on industrial buildings. These are fairly inexpensive, but the only problem is they're fairly bulky, they're heavy, and you don't want to really carry it in your pocket on a day-to-day basis. So I decided to make my own version that was a little bit more EDC friendly, where you could store it in your pocket, have it on your keychain, or even keep in an Altoids kit. And if you want to pick one of them up for yourself, they are available now for sale. So let's get started with this video featuring the MicroTUP Water Key. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Cliff, also known as the Urban Prepper, and on this channel we focus on the topic of urban emergency preparedness. This video is going to be a little bit different because it's not really a review or anything like that. This is something that I actually built in collaboration with a fellow prepper. So I'm going to give you the whole backstory on how it came to life. Let's talk about silcock keys for a second. In an urban emergency, like an extended power outage, infrastructure failure, anything that disrupts normal water pressure, there's actually water all around you in the city. And they're available through exterior hose bibs on commercial buildings, but they are locked behind square valve stems. You need a silcock key to open them. By the way, use common sense, respect private property, and follow local laws. This is for emergency preparedness and legitimate water access situations. The 4-way version covers all the common sizes, and it's been a staple in the preparedness community for years. I've been recommending them on my channel since around 2011. It's been in my EDC backpack, in my bug out bag, and various emergency kits over the years. But again, the honest truth, it's a large metal plus sign. It's heavy, it's awkward. It's not something most people are going to want to carry on their person on a day-to-day basis. These largely live in bags or in kits. They don't live in your pocket. And in a real emergency situation, that gap matters because if you don't have it on you, you don't have it. For years, I've been trying to find a different way of allowing me to EDC a 4-way silcock key for urban emergencies, and I just couldn't find anything online. Well, one day I was eating a pack of Rolos and it gave me an idea. Really all I wanted was the square drive ends of the silcock key. And as I was eating the Rolos, I was like, man, it'd be pretty cool if I could just stack all of those on top of each other like a Rolos candy bar. And then that's where the whole idea for the MicroTUP Water Key came to be. I looked online to see if that type of design was available anywhere. I couldn't find anything, so I decided to design my own. I started by hiring a CAD designer through Upwork to bring the concept to life. The job description was simple: stackable bits under 3.5 inches, small enough to fit in an Altoids kit. And this is where things started to get interesting. The designer was talented, but they weren't necessarily a prepper, so they had no context to what EDC actually means. So every revision came back with cases, pouches, storage solutions, things to put the tool in. And I kept having to say, I don't really want the case. I want the tool itself to be the thing you carry. I want it small enough that it is the kit. After a few rounds, we finally got there, which was the core design, or the guts of it, which started to take shape. But now I needed to print it. I reached out to some local 3D print shops to get first prototypes made. But around that time, I happened to be on a call with my friend Morgan from Rogue Preparedness. She mentioned that she and her husband Josh do 3D printing. The decision was really simple. Why would I hire some random 3D printed shop when I could work with an experienced prepper who I've known for years, knows all about EDC, highly respected in the community, knows about silcock keys, and I really trust. So I made the switch from some random 3D printing shop to Morgan from Rogue Preparedness. If you're not already subscribed to her, subscribe right now. Morgan and her husband Josh have been part of this project from the very first prototype, and that made all the difference. One of the earlier designs relied on magnets to keep everything locked into place, and that didn't really scale. It was more expensive and made it more complex, but Josh had a really great idea. So Josh redesigned it with a locking lip system instead. A snap fit mechanism that holds everything securely, requires no extra components, and is just fundamentally more reliable. That one change transformed the whole tool. We kept iterating from there, dialing in tolerances, improving the grip texture, and strengthening the handle. And then we ran into a wall. The profile was still too thick to fit into the valves needed for a 4-way silcock key. So we slimmed it down to match the exact dimensions of a standard silcock stem. And that's when it finally worked. And before we go on, I just want to mention that I could not have done this without Morgan and Josh from Rogue Preparedness. They didn't just print the parts for me, they got totally invested in this, they problem solved with me, and they pushed it further than I ever could have. There's no one else on this planet that I'd rather work on for this project than Morgan and Josh from Rogue Preparedness. They're totally awesome, and this is just the beginning of what we're going to be working on together. So here's what we ended up with: the MicroTUP Water Key. It's about 2.9 inches long, 4 sizes for the square valve stems: 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, which covers the vast majority of silcock valves you're going to encounter in an urban environment. It's snap fit modular. You could swap sizes in seconds. It features textured grip for real torque. It has a really durable T-handle for leverage. It's lightweight, compact, and designed specifically for real-world urban EDC. And the whole thing fits flat. You can put it in an Altoids tin, a first aid kit, an EDC organizer, your jacket pocket, or your glove box of your vehicle. To me, it's the version of this tool that's actually on you when it matters. And this water key is just the beginning of the line. And just to be upfront, this isn't meant to replace the standard 4-way silcock key, which is made of metal. This is a lot more durable, it has a little bit more torque. This is just an alternative option that allows you to EDC it. The MicroTUP water key is the one that you actually have on your person. You could use the little loop on the end to attach it to a jacket, or you could attach it to your keychain. Hopefully you never have to use one of these things for a true emergency situation. But if you did, you would have it on you because it's so lightweight and compact, you kind of forget that you have it with you. We're intentionally keeping the first run fairly small at just 200 units that are available now. That's going to help us refine the process, make any necessary adjustments, and to get feedback from the audience. Everything is being manufactured in small batches by Morgan and Josh from their home, and a portion of every sale goes directly to them for production. And I know that some people are probably going to ask, hey, just send me the STL file so I can print it myself. I'm keeping this design proprietary because the first run is what helps fund future development and future tools. This isn't some giant corporation. It's a small creator-built project between me, Morgan, and Josh. Every unit that's sold is going to help fund the next run, the next tool that's going to come out, and to help us scale this long-term. So if you enjoy this channel and the various projects that I try to build here, this is a direct way that you can help out. You're not just buying a tool, you're helping fund future product development, future manufacturing runs, and future ideas I want to bring into the preparedness space. By the way, for these first few runs, we're just going to be doing US shipment only for the time being. I'm not really scaled to be able to do customs and international shipment, although long-term, I'd like to get this over to drop shipment. We're going to have a company just ship these out for me, and they could handle all the customs and international shipment. So fingers crossed that people like this and we could scale it out that way. And speaking of building this out, the MicroTUP Water Key is just the first of a few tools that we're going to be launching. I can't talk about the other tools quite yet, but they are coming. And they'll fit the same philosophy. Ultra compact, EDC ready, built for urban preparedness, and ideally could fit in an Altoids kit. That's going to be the MicroTUP product line. If this takes off like I think it can, a stainless steel version of it is completely on the table. It's just a lot more complex and expensive to do for a first run. But that future only happens if this one succeeds. So when you buy this, you're not just getting a tool, you're helping me prove that there's a market for this kind of thinking in the preparedness space. Compact, carry anywhere gear that people actually have on them when things go sideways. If this project succeeds, you'll probably start seeing MicroTUP tools showing up throughout future videos and kits on the channel, because the goal is to build real emergency preparedness tools that people actually carry. I've also been exploring the idea of having a possible creator version of the MicroTUP tool that's branded to specific emergency preparedness channels. I still need to talk to those channels to see if they're actually interested. If you'd like to support this first batch, the link is provided in the description box below. Again, very special thanks to Morgan and Josh from Rogue Preparedness, who have been key to making this product come to life. Leave your comment below in the comment section regarding the MicroTUP Water Key and perhaps some ideas that you have for other micro-sized EDC tools that we can build here on this channel. That's going to do it for this video featuring the MicroTUP Water Key. I hope they enjoyed watching it. The first 200 units are available now, so if you want to support this product line and the channel, you can pick one up for yourself, put it on your backpack, put it on your keychain, put it in your Altoids kit. We'll be doing additional print runs based off of the audience demand for them. Fingers crossed that you like them as much as we do. Stay tuned for more urban emergency preparedness videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care.